So this is the US. So this is a alarm clock, silver Crest. As you can see, let me turn my flash. Well, you cannot see, but it says it on the box. It's definitely a silver Crest. Let me just turn off the flash. There you go, silver Crest. It's a digital alarm clock with QI charging station. Yeah, as you can see, it's silver Crest and QI. So as you can see, it's 24.4 degrees right now. It's Saturday the 17th of December right now. So I'll just preview the screen settings. So right now, yep. So full, so full, medium, low, and then no LED. So that's no LED mode. So I'll demonstrate the alarm really quick. 20. I'll just show you the alarm really quick. Put it here so you can see. There we go, guys. I'm just leaving you to how much beeps. 3, 4. Alright. 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 Not only that, it's got a wireless QI wireless charging station, plus, as you can see, I don't want to show my thing, so I'm going to quickly cut and show you my socket. Never mind, I'll just show it. So that's the plug. As you can see, let's see if I can find. As you can see, it says silver Crest. And also, it has USB-C, USB. It has USB. USB-C plug-in and USB plug-in, normal USB. And that's that. So I'll show you how the thingy does that loud thing. Let me just move over to here. That thing right there. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and comment, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out. Bye.